This is a Dynaway step-by-step guide on how to create a round plan. Go to the search bar, type in round plans, and select round plans. Click New to create a new round plan. Fill in required information in the description field. You can write your own description or select a description. A value has been entered as an example below. In the category code field, click the arrow to the right to select a category code from the list. A value has been entered as an example below. In the priority code field, click the arrow to the right to select a priority code from the list. A value has been entered as an example below. In the Assets tab, click the button Add Assets to specify which assets should be included in your round plan. In the window, you can include assets in the round plan by selecting from various filters. In this example, the assets to be included in the round plan are filtered based on asset location, which has been selected from a list by clicking the arrow to the right. Click OK to finish adding assets to your round plan. In the Assets tab, you can now see the assets that are added to the round plan based on their location code. Scroll down to the Frequencies tab and specify the plan date for the round order.